Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on a couple of stocks that we haven't talked about. In a little bit, we're going to talk about EEENF, 88 Energy first of all, then we're going to look at IQST and talk a little bit about that as well. So we'll look at the charts, see what they're telling us, and kind of go from there. So EEENF, we'll start off with it. So if you remember, right around here is whenever they had said that the Merlin 2 was going to be taken out, capped, it was done, it was not a successful well, and it shot all the way down here. And then we saw a little run up, and then I kind of kept telling people like, hey, it's probably going to continue to come back down slowly and steady, and pretty much is what it's done for the most part. Haven't gotten much information out of this company over the past couple of weeks or so, but I am still keeping an eye on it because I know that there's some people that maybe still be invested in it, maybe are accumulating at this time period and things of that nature. So I am still keeping a close watch on what's going on with it. So let's take a look at it. The overall tip top is 4 cents, and right below you have 3, a little over 2.5, 0.022, 0.0186. First level resistance is 0.0127, with your floor being 0.0053. Okay, so penny stock here has been bleeding out for quite some time, and it seems like at least for now it's finding a floor at 0.0053. However, it could easily break below there and continue to go, because originally it was at 0.0065 was the floor, then we popped up and then we fell down and broke that, and now obviously we're below that area. So if you're looking to accumulate and hold for the long term, I mean, these prices are crazy cheap, of course. I currently don't hold any. I've gotten burned a couple of times on them, but I am keeping an eye on them just in case the buzz starts picking back up again on the company. It can make for an interesting swing play, but we're trading far below that red SMA line, so we'd have to have a pretty high run up to about almost 2 cents, a little over 1.5 cents, and hold there in order for us to confirm a bullish reversal and move to the upside. Next up is IQSTel, ticker symbol IQST, and currently trading underneath the red SMA line, which so is a lot of other companies. I mean, the market's been getting the crap kicked out of it past several months, to where there's a lot of really good buying opportunities and a lot of good solid companies. So our total overall floor is going to be 33 cents here. You see, we just got a buy signal here. We're just not getting a whole lot of volume, so I'm not sure if that's going to allow that to come to fruition. I do think that eventually we're going to pop our head and retest about 50 cents off of this play, just based on previous experience from the company. We are about fair valued on the RSI indicator and the MACD. We're slowly trying to cross over from bearish to bullish, which is a good sign that if you buy here, and you could easily sell at about 50 cents and take profits there. Below the red SMA line, of course, like I said, we need to get above 50 cents and hold. And for me, longer term, this was anything below 50 cents is a strike zone for me, because I'm looking just to add 50 cents or below. And then once we get that pop, to $1 again, then I'll be looking to take profits from there as well, because obviously that's going to be a easy double up play in my opinion, because my average cost is right at about 50 cents. It's not at 30 cents, it's about 50. So anytime I hit 50 cents or below, I'll be looking to add a little bit here and there. So first level of resistance, 48.5, then 60.5, 69, 77.5, 88, and then $1.05 is your overall tip top ceiling for the most part now. Okay, so this is one to keep an eye on. They're pretty adamant about, they think that they'll be able to get uplisted to the NASDAQ, and if they do, obviously for one, they got to maintain, I believe, a certain price point per share in order to be considered and approved. All right, so we'll have to just kind of wait and see. They do release news fairly often. Their last release was on the 14th of June, and they talked about how they had 39% year-to-date revenue growth through May to $33 million. So this is a company that is producing revenue and has some good things going for it. It's just kind of still, in my opinion, sort of under the radar, being that, for one, we're on the OTC market, but if you check out like StockTwits, the followers are really, really low compared to some of the other OTC stocks. But I do feel comfortable about this one, that we should at least see again that we can get to at least about $1 at some point. I don't know if it'll be this year. Originally I thought it would be that we'd shoot up again and make a little nice run to $1, and we still can. Okay, we just gotta have to wait and see how the market reacts to their news that they'll release. So anyway, guys, that's what I want to provide with you. These two companies, a quick technical analysis on both. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.